Andrew here, DrDetail, trying to figure out how all these wheels get damaged on our GTA roads and highways and byways. We are the curb rash specialists. I'm just finishing these ones. That one too. I got these two. Wheels, 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 that's what we do. Round things and wheels. We do full car detailing. We do a lot of the detailing and curb rash repair. Just finished these, polished those. There's some more coming in. They came in for curb rash damage. We're going to clean these up right along here. Andrew, DrDetail. There's some wheels I just finished. I just boxed them. We're shipping them back to Vancouver. Here's something kind of funky we're going to do. It's an LS6 motor. It's aluminum. We're going to polish that block like chrome. Andrew, DrDetail, Inc.com. Come and visit us.